friends, welcome to the Tech Vision channel. So friends, today I will talk about the DeepCool CK series mid tower ATX case. So friend, DeepCool announced the CK series mid tower case, which consists the CK500, CK500WH, CK560 and CK560WH, available in black and white. And friend, all cases deliver a balance of airflow, silent performance and exceptional cooling for the modern dry builder. And friend, the CK series deliver a no-nonsense approach to a clean, sleek computer chassis design. And friend, for minimalistic builders to appreciate the CK500 and CK500WH minimal solid front panel can be rest assured that airflow performance is not hindered thanks to enlarged ventilation outlets throughout the front, top and rear panels for additional air movement. And friend, for builders it insists for even more airflow. The CK560 and CK560WH features a unique crosshair pattern steel front panel. And friend, all cases offer a clean aesthetic and fits a modern day look while being feature packed for additional hardware expansion and upgrades. So friend, the CK series mid tower cases features improved airflow panels in front, top and rear with larger ventilation outlets to improve circulation. And friend, the CK500 boasts two pre-installed 140 mm airflow fans that help improve cooling performance while keeping noise at a minimum, while the CK560 carry a total of 4 pre-installed fans help enhance cooling performance with the front 3 ARGB fans illuminating your system build. And friend, the CK560 is also confirmed to builders who appreciate airflow design are treated to unique crosshair pattern steel front panel. And friend, the CK series mid tower cases supports up to ATX motherboards as well as a large CPU cooler height up to 175 mm and GPU length up to. And friend, the cooling capacity is optimized on the CK series with up to 6x into 120 mm and 5 into 140 mm cooling fans, and support for AIO radiators up to 280 or 360 mm through the front panel and 240 or 280 mm on the top panel. And friend, an anti-sag or adjustable GPU support bracket allow it to position in two different locations accordingly for various size graphics cards. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.